Hey, what's up guys? My name is Cece and welcome back to my channel. So today is not a good day. I just broke my nail. You see that tear right there? Yeah. This is the nail that I broke. And it currently hurts and it was bleeding. And I just got it to stop bleeding not too long ago, but I was going to rip it off and just start over. However, when I even tried to cut it off, the pain was so excruciating and I was almost crying. It still hurts right now, but I believe we can fix it. So I went to the store not too long ago and I purchased this, which is the Orally Nail Rescue. We are going to try this on my nails along with some nail glue, and we're going to see if we can repair my nail so that it can actually grow out so that I can file it down. The instructions, it says 3 easy steps. So we just apply the nail glue, we dip it, and then we smooth it out. I got this at Sally's, and here's the bag right here. So I also got one of these nail filers, nail buffers for the nail. Also got some nail glue. And this is the nail glue that I'm going to use. I was told by the associate that the nail glue was actually really good and this would work for my natural nail. So let's just get into how I broke my nail. What happened was I was lifting up something and I thought I could one-man Hercules that like it was no problem, and then I heard the nail crack and it was so excruciating, so much pain, oh my god. But it's gotten to the point now, because I put peroxide on it, it burned but I still did it, and I put some oil on it to try to make it, I don't know, try to make it feel better. That worked a little bit, and then I just put a little nail polish on it to, well, I put base coat on it just to try to glue it together until I was able to get the actual nail glue, which actually happened to be a horrible mistake, only because when I put the base coat on, it burned. So I do not recommend you guys do that. Just be careful with that. Just go out to the store, Walmart, Sally's, Target, wherever, and get the nail glue. Yeah. Let me stop rambling and let's get this poor thing fixed. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to be taking an assessment of my nail to see how bad it is, and as you can tell, it's really deep. So next, I'm going to be putting on some nail glue to the applied area to make sure that everything applies smoothly. Then from here, I am just going to dunk my nail and make sure that it is covered where the broken nail is. And I'm going to dust off the excess powder. From here, I'm going to repeat steps 1 and 2 about 2 more times to make sure that everything is sealed in and my nail does not come off. After those steps are done and I've wasted powder, way to go, CC. You can see that the nail is mended and it doesn't look broken. So now I'm going to be filing part of my nail to make it look even, because I will be putting on color to mask the fact that my nail is broken. And after the nail is filed down good to where it looks like it's suitable, then you'll be ready for the next step, which will be adding a base coat to seal everything in and make sure that it looks nice and good. And when you put on that thick coat of base coat, it will almost look pretty natural. And from there, we are going to put base coat on my other nails because I will be painting those as well. And fun fact, I'm actually painting my nails on my left hand. Now from here, I was going to attempt to do nail art. However, I figured since my nail was already damaged and I'm trying to get it to grow out, I am just going to do a simple nail design where I just use 3 colors. Well, not really 3 colors, 2 colors and a top coat that is hollow. And for those of you who are wondering what I'm putting on my nails, I have the purple shade, which is the Sinful Colors Techno Violet. And I also have the blue shade from Sinful Colors called Blue in the Dark. And on top of both shades, I am going to be putting on the I Love Nail Polish, My Private Rainbow. And I also will be linking the colors in the description box down below, just in case you're curious as to what they look like. Anyways, that pretty much wraps up this video on how I ended up fixing my nail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!